Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I know I promised that I'm going to share some information regarding how you can create or increase engagement on your social media pages using AI. So I use a tool called ManyChat. If for those who know, on one of my pages, Nyasawe, I've been able to generate a mailing list of over 800 subscribers in maybe double that number in just a week, and also increase followers on the pages in less than 7 days. Like, I remember when I started my Nyasa page, I went for a month, and in the first month we had like 29 followers, and in the following 2 weeks we doubled that and we landed up to like 800. This 800 followers, and also having a mailing list of about 600 subscribers from our website. And on the Nyasawe shop, there was no content whatsoever. We didn't have any product, just had a welcome and enter your email here prompt. So if you're a creator, business person, and you're looking to create a mailing list, then ManyChat is the best tool that you can use to capture the emails for you. So instead of you going back and capturing all the emails one by one and putting them in your spreadsheet, what it's going to do is collect the email, put it in a spreadsheet, or collect the email, take it to MailChimp or wherever your mailing subscriber is, for those who want to keep communicating via email with their customers or their subscribers. So what we do is we've created this mailing list, and time after time again we market our products, services, information, notices, etc. And this is best for any business really, if you really want to build a community. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can create your own ManyChat account. So we're just gonna head on to ManyChat.com. Once you get to ManyChat, just follow the easy few prompts to sign up your account, and from there I'm going to show you how you can set up your first automation. So once you're logged in, just go to new automation. Once you're at new automation, you now choose which platform you want this to happen. Say you want this to happen on Instagram. So you're going to go to the fourth option. So there's home. So there you have home, contacts, automation. Click on automation and then scroll all the way down to on automation, and then just go to where it says new automation in top right corner, and then you can start from scratch. So this is the best way. This is how I do it. I just start from scratch because I really want to customize it to how I want it to be. There are some pre-made templates as you saw, so you can just mess around and see what it can do for you. But say you want to run an automation on Instagram, and what we want to do on Instagram is collect emails. So I would do that. Say you want to give, I'll give an example of Nyasawe on how we want to collect an emails, or want to collect emails for pre-orders, or want to collect emails for anyone who's interested in a specific product. So what we'll do is hi there. So now inside ManyChat, once you create Instagram, that's the first trigger. So once someone clicks on that, we will send them a message to their inbox saying, hi there, I am glad you are here. I'm glad you are here and interested in our product. You ready to proceed? And then you give them an option. So is that how you proceed? Yeah, option 1 is yes. I like to put a rocket, make it playful, and then you can have one option there. Now we'll go back to trigger. What would have happened So user, you can say user replies to your story, or user comments on your post or reel, right? And then you could actually go down to selecting the specific post. So say this one, right? This is one of my posts. So if anyone comments there with words order or I want or want or get. So if anyone says, I want this, where can I get this? Right? The automation is such that they will get. So if they make these comments, want, order, get, then ManyChat will automatically send them a message, this message, right? So we say continue here, and once they say that, we're automatically going to comment the word. We're automatically going to comment on that post. And these are the options. You could say info delivered, review inbox, sent, review inbox, link sent to your DMs, right? Or we could just say awesome. I like awesome. Review inbox. So it will just like randomize this detail sent, send you the info, right? And then we save. So anyone who comments these words will be sent this message: hi, glad you are here, interested in our product, and interested in our product, ready to proceed. They click yes. So once they click yes, we have to link it to another step, right? An Instagram step. And what was the step saying? Okay, you can say congratulations, you have just unlocked a 10% 10% discount on 10% discount if you buy Run Light, Run X, Run Light, Run Light suit, right? Offer available for a limited time. Use code run 10 at checkout, right? And then you add another link. So what you want to do now is connect this to the shop or to the product. So what I'm going to do here is open website. So this button is gonna be like, we're gonna rename it to shop, and then we're going to copy the link. The link will go straight on. The link to go straight onto the product. Yeah. Control C. There we go. Right. Check out and then happy shopping. Right. Once they click that link, it takes them to the shop, and just send a message to say thank you, and then you can actually add the person's name. So thank you, first name. Do let us know if you need anything else, right? And then we leave it like that. So basically we're gonna preview this so you see how it works. So this is what's going to look like when someone sends that comment. So if anyone comments on that post, it's going to say, hi, we are glad that you're here. I'll change that. Okay, restart. So hi, we are glad you are here and interested in our product. Ready to proceed? Click yes. And then congratulations, you've just unlocked a 10% discount if you buy our RunX Run Light suit. Offer available for a limited time. Use code RUN10 at checkout. Happy shopping. And then they click shop. It takes them to the website with the link that we've used, right? And then what should happen is, I shouldn't have placed this here, I should place it here, and cancel the action. Yeah, once they click that, go there, then they get that message. They don't, you see. So basically this is how you would set up that. But in actual fact, what you've just done here is increase engagement, because you've given people a prompt to say, if you would like to buy this product, comment the word order, and then they click comment the word order. What you've done now is you've increased the number of comments on your page, and not only have they pressed the word order, type the word order, you will also be able to, using ManyChat, comment back on that same order to say, hey, we've sent you something in your DM. Once something is sent in the DM, then they're able to interact and go. Not only that, you will be able to follow up on the sale, or say you want to capture their email before they go shopping, right? So we would come back onto the automation here, and then we would move stuff. I'm just going to move this a little back. So what we do is, once someone clicks yes, it goes on to the next step, which is going to be data collection. Once you collect data, you come up here and then you change the option to email, and then you scroll all the way down and you remove the word skip so that they don't skip this step. It's a crucial step. So what then happens now is that we will come here, automatically says, before you continue, please send your email so we can contact you later. So what then happens is, if someone responds with their email, what's going to happen to the email address that we've received? So either going to go and create an action, click action. I have integrated this to MailChimp, so I'm going to say MailChimp, add to list, and then I click email, and then I'm going to just add them into the Nyasaware and then click save. So this is what's going to happen to anyone who responds with their email address. If someone doesn't give us their email address or does not respond, we will say to proceed, to proceed, we will need your email address. So we can say first name to proceed, we will need your email address, right? If they don't respond, they are brought back here. So they're gonna be stuck in that loop, right? And the next step here is that, okay? So, and the next step is that. So we're gonna restart this and then see how it goes. Yes. All right, before you continue, enter your email address. I'll enter that. Congratulations, and then you can shop, right? We're gonna redo it again and see the other option. Yes. I'm gonna enter that email. Oh yeah, no wait, I don't want to enter email. Yes. So if you wait, then there's a timer. If you do not respond, you're gonna be stuck in that loop. It's just gonna be reminding you. All right. So that's how you would create an automation in your Instagram. So I'm not gonna overload you with information for now. I'm just gonna leave this here and then you can ask questions, and then I can show you how to do more, maybe on a one-to-one basis. But I thought I should just show you how you can use ManyChat, let you know what there's a tool that you can use to increase engagement on your pages. Play around with it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Send me a DM. If you have my WhatsApp, send me a WhatsApp. I will always respond. And I'm happy also to take like a Zoom call and show you more. If you're in digital marketing, I can also train you so you can offer this service to your clients. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.